Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video of TNA by Canada. So today we are very proud to introduce to you guys about the DEEPOWER DP-A1. So this is our newest model that is available at TNA Bike Canada for sales. And today we're gonna be doing a review video for you guys to see if it's worth it for you guys to buy it. Okay guys, so first thing first, let's talk about the specification of this bike. So this bike is equipped with 1000 watt peak motor, and with this motor you guys can reach the max speed of 50 kilometers per hour. Moving on to the battery, this bike is equipped with a 20 amp hour capacity battery. It's a very long range battery. So with this battery, it's gonna help you guys reach the range up to 100 kilometers in one single charge. It's very impressive. It's gonna depending on the electrical mod that you guys gonna be using the bike. So it's gonna fluctuate between 70 to 100 kilometers in one single charge. Let's moving on to all the features of this bike. Let's start off with the hydraulic brake right here. We have a hydraulic brake system from Iceland. Okay, so since this is hydraulic, so it's very light when you guys press the lever like this. This is very powerful as well. On top of that, you guys gonna have a adjustment right here, so you guys can adjust by hand, no tool required. The function of this button right here is after a while you guys using, the brake pad gonna worn out during the time, so you guys can adjust this to help with the brake. So over here we have a S830 display. Okay, let's turn it on. You guys see a speed. It's also show the battery here, the battery assist mode, and also a lot of information here like the voltage, current, time, and the total mileage on the bike. Over here we're gonna have a half twist throttle. So with this throttle, it's gonna feel like the motorcycles, and you guys can easily adjust the speed that you guys want like this. Okay, and left side over here we're gonna have a front light, okay, the signal light, and electrical horn. Now the plus for this bike is it has a phone holder right here. It's gonna come with the bike. Okay, so it's very easy to use. So I have my phone here with me. Just simply do like this and press it down. It's gonna lock my phone in there, not moving anywhere. Okay, and to take out, just simply press this, take out your phone. You guys are gonna have a charger port over here, a USB charger port, so you guys can charge your phone. Moving on to the drive chain system, so we have a Shimano turning 7 gear over here, and we have a Shimano cassette as well. Next, we're gonna talk about the fork right here. So this fork is allow you guys to lock it and also unlock it, right? Okay, and over here you guys gonna have a preload adjustment as well. You guys can easily adjust the stiffness or the softness that you guys want on the sock. Over here you can see the bike has a 20x4 tire. So this is all season tire. You guys can use both summertime, winter time, and any terrain that you guys want. We also have a rear rack over here. You guys can put like a basket over here and carry stuff with you, so you guys don't have to carry. Gonna relieve the stress on your back. Over here is the handlebar adjustment. You guys can adjust the height of the handlebar to match to your position. So you guys can find which one is the best position while you guys riding it. Last but not least is a very important feature on this bike is foldable e-bikes. So you guys can fold the bike and load into your trunk of the car. So you guys can unfold this like this, right? Okay, and over here you guys can remove the key. Just fold it back just like that. Okay, Alright, since you guys can fold the bike, the battery over here is also removable. Okay, put the key back in. Okay, so you guys can take out the battery. It's easy. Okay, and you guys can bring inside your home to charge this battery. That's it for today. If you guys like this bike, you guys can go straight to our website tnebike.com to order it directly, and it's gonna be shipped to your home, straight to your door. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.